If you're hesitant to sell your house because you've heard the market has cooled over the past year, here's what you need to know. You haven't missed your window, but you may need to think about things just a little bit differently. Here's what today's sellers need to consider. First, be willing to negotiate. At the peak of the pandemic, sellers held all the leverage, but today's buyers have a few more options. So you may see more buyers requesting an inspection and repairs or helping with closing costs. I can help you navigate those conversations so you still feel like making a move is a win. Second, you need to price your home at market value. Today's higher mortgage rates mean buyers are more cautious about their budgets. So if you want to attract potential buyers, let me help you set the ideal price for your home. Third, think about your first impression on buyers. In other words, make your home attractive. I'll give you insight into the updates and staging you need to help it stand out. If you need expert advice on how to sell your home, give me a call. I'm Jim Starwald here at the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. We'll talk to you soon.